evidence. Plug that gap somehow, rather like the Dutch boy plugging the gap in the dike. God knows what would happen if that gap was left there. Invent evidence. Just stuff any old kind of newspaper articles in. Anything to plug the gap and make it look as though Hitler knew. Because otherwise you're going to lose the Sunday Times. We've got a big deal lined up for the Sunday Times in England.
Can you hurry up? Fucking
Literally.
hell. Seriously,
I'm gonna
mate.
beep at them.
Oh, they're reversing.
Go forward.
Go! What are you doing?
Oh my god.
No, I can't watch this.
Oh, because I didn't let them go. You could just go.
Well, whoa.
What the fuck? The fucking Jesus fucking Christ! What a dickhead! Oh, whoa, good on ya! What a fucking idiot!
So?
Start event recording.
Where were you going?
He thought it was going to be quicker.
Yeah, it's got a little red light, isn't it? Can't even see the green lights, yeah? Yeah, then my elbows are getting better. So I don't lean on them anymore. It's crazy. Oh my god! My god! What are you doing?
An idiot.
Oh my god, sister!
Oh, yeah. We just went through it.
You did.
Over here.
Start event recording.
I'm very fond of it. I think it's very special. It's a very special place. Yeah.
I've worked with many purchase grads. I've hired many purchase grads. This speaks for itself.
Fucking
Yeah.
moron. Jesus
Yeah.
Christ.
And it's,
I
you
am
know,
a teacher.
yeah.
So if you're a basketball
What the fuck? Jesus Christ.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
To be fair on him, I was going a bit slow.
Still.
You could have gone the other side.
Hey! What the f...
What are you doing? Clueless.
What? Fuck! Oh my god. What the hell?
What the fuck? Oh, holy stop! What the fuck is your problem, cunt? You fucking dick!
Oh, Jesus Christ, that was close.